Hello, my name is Dola Abiodun, and this is my integrative therapy video. My client is a 23-year-old male, African American male, who is an engineering college student, and he lives with his parents. He has diagnosis of major depressive disorder for 6 months. He's been diagnosed with major depressive disorder for 6 months. Due to COVID, he has not been able to get a job. So he believes he's not good enough. He believes that people don't like him, and he believes he just doesn't have the confidence to go out there to go and apply for a job. So that is my client. That is the synopsis of my client and the identification of my three complementary psychotherapy. I'm going to be using the first psychotherapy I'm going to be using on my patient is um, the self-talk. That's the positive self-talk on this is going to be taken from the COPE class. That's the COPE book. The second psychotherapy modality I'm going to be using is Socratic questioning, and that's the second technique. And the third technique is the self-disclosure. So the self-talk, so to explain to you the self-talk, this is the flip of the negative from the negative self-talk into a positive self-talk. And the purpose of this is to increase the self-confidence of my client and to curb his negative emotions. The use of the Socratic questioning is for my client to explore ideas in depth to help him to independently think and be able to analyze better, not necessarily dwell on negative assumptions, but to, look at other assumptions because that might be the case for, in some cases. Also, the self-disclosure. This is a planned use of the therapy's personality, my my insight, my perceptions as part of the therapy process to be able to help my client to go out there and get a job, to apply for a job, and not think that he is not good enough to get a job. And the other things I have to tell you about is to identify why each individual approach is appropriate to the case. The self talk is appropriate to the case because the self talk is an approach that will help my patient to get him to be more confident, to stop his negative thoughts, and to increase his self esteem so that way he can go ahead and help him to get motivated to apply for a job. And the second one is the Socratic questioning. In this case, it's going to help my client to let my client feel to pursue thoughts in different possible directions and to increase, to cover all assumptions. So this will help him uh, to help him to help him see that necessarily he's not all the time not being liked, but there are some other possibilities of him of assumptions of not being liked. So the self-disclosure was also picked to as the last one to let my patient foster empathy to strengthen the therapeutic alliance, the therapeutic relationship that we have. And the other thing that I have to tell you is the discussion of expected overall encounter with the sample patient. Overall, I'm trying to help my patient boost his self esteem, boost motivation, and to help him to get the job that he needs because, he needs to get money to be able to pay bills, to be able to, fit more into the society. And to provide an example of how this, so as to support the cultural and diversity in my patient, since my patient is an African American male, this experience with stress, this experience will help him see that he's not being prejudiced. That culturally, I will adapt because I'm using the CBT, and these three modalities are coming from CBT. This will help him. I'm going to help to adapt the culture of the African American. Like my patient is an African American male that likes to pray, so I'm going to incorporate that, his religion, his spirituality, into the CBT therapies that I'm going to be doing, the modalities that I'm going to be doing. So this can very well help him. And that is how I'm going to use CBT and to incorporate his culture. Because according to my research by Ward and Brown in 2015, it shows that incorporating spirituality for African Americans, especially the ones that are spiritual, really, really helps as a therapy. Because prayer in each section can be a strategy to help him cope. And that is the research that I have for adopting his culture as an African American into CBT. To provide a summary of my expected outcome for each of the complementary integrative therapy, the summary for the self-talk, the positive self-talk, is to get my patient, I'm expecting my patient to have the confidence to be able to go out there and apply for a job. For the Socratic questioning is to help my patient to stop negative thinking, to be able to help him not just have negative assumptions, to not to just have assumptions, but to explore his assumptions. Then the self-disclosure is to help my patient to be able to get him to be self-motivated, to know that he's not the only one in the boat, that we all face one thing or the other that might kind of debar our, that might kind of set us back. But at the same time, that doesn't mean he should be set back. He can still strive to get better, and that will also help him to get a job. And that's it for my introduction.